Hi everyone, Dan here. This week I thought I'd do a quick update on my layout build. We're still in the room prep phase at the moment. The building where the train layout is going to be built is divided into 3 parts. The middle part is the train room, and as you can see right now it's full of stuff, including a disassembled regulation-sized pool table. A lot of that stuff, including the pool table, is going into what will be our game room. We've been working on getting the game room finished first. The idea is once it's ready, a lot of the stuff that's in the train room right now can be unpacked and set up. Then the train room will be emptier and I can start working on it. We've done a lot of work on the building so far. My wife Nichole and her mom helped me put up new ceiling joists in the game room. We also installed French doors and a floor-to-ceiling window where the old creaky door used to be. Can lights are going in. All the electrical in the entire building is being redone from scratch because it was an unsafe rat's nest of wiring before. We've got 4 of the can lights wired up so far. Eventually there will be 6 more on a separate switch, so we can vary the light level however we want. We're happy with how the room has progressed so far. The building used to be more of a barn. It's going to end up being a really cool recreational space eventually. Nichole and I also recently adopted 2 rescue kittens, so we've had our hands full with them. The train room is definitely going to be a cat-free zone. The next episode of the consist build is almost ready and I hope to have it out soon. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.